Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you everything about the registration process of NQT because this is a little complex, it's not so easy. So watch this video completely because there are a lot of things where you can make mistakes. So make sure that you follow the whole video properly. So let's start. So click on this, click on the register button. I have shared the URL also below. Enter your email ID or password, right? If you do not have an account, click on the Gmail button and then try to log in through your Gmail account. This is the best option. Okay, it'll make sure that you enter your last name properly here, first name, last name, and select the current state that you have, right, properly, because these are very important details, right? So let me select the state where I am right now and continue with Google. After that you will be taken to the same page again, right? Now you will have to log in with Google account. This is the permission that TCS website is asking. So click on OK. After that you will see three privacy options here. So these documents are some of the statements that you have to read, and you have to select all the three, right? You have to accept all the three. So here let's see that I'm trying to accept only one. So this is a problem that everybody will face. So go to the first one, select I have read, go to the privacy policy. After that select the I have read and understood the checkbox, and then terms and usage also, and click on OK. Now after that you will see this form. In this form you will have to select your date of birth, properly residing state, so wherever you are residing right now, and then select the city. So all these details are very important here, and then enter your mobile number. So you'll have to generate an OTP, and you'll have to verify that mobile number also. So it is a captcha that you have to fill it properly, and after you fill this captcha, you'll get an OTP on the same mobile number, right? So you'll have to enter that OTP here, and let's see, let me check the OTP. Right, it takes a few moments to get your OTP. It's not immediately, and after that you will just click on validate OTP and verify that. Enter your education details. Now this is available for all the degrees and everything, so everything is listed here. So select the degree that you are enrolled in, right? There are a lot of BA, LLB, everything is allowed in this time, but because this is not only for a technical job, this is a gateway through to get multiple types of jobs. So select your degree specialization, right, that you have, and then which month and year you have graduated or you are going to graduate. You have to select this because there's a criteria that they have, and all these things should match the documents that will be asked later. And then you have to select the institute. Now here is a flaw that we have to check, where you have to see that the institute name is present already or not. So if you just I entered GSS and selected something, right? Now what will happen is I'll also show you how, if your institute is not present there, what you have to do. So what you have to do is click on other here, right? So you'll see an option of other here. You select that, and then you will see a new box there. So you have to enter your institute's name properly there, right? So make sure that the name is actually correct and based on your certificates that you get, and then click on then leave it the way it is, right? You don't need to click there again, right? So in this case I'll just select the institute that was already listed in my case. And you have two modes of examination also. So if you are online, then you have to read all these things. Your system should be compatible, and invigilator will monitor you remotely. So go through all these details, make sure that everything is matching and you have a good internet connectivity. If there is a problem, then again you will not be able to work, and you should have a working webcam also integrated, right? So if you do not have all these things, then you can choose the in center option, where you have to go to a TCS ION center, and there you have to take the test. So select the state and select the city where you are, you want to go and take the test. Now you have to upload a photograph also. So what I'll do is I'll just select the photograph, right? So click here to upload the photograph, right? And then this has to be a JPG image. So let me show you what is the problem that a lot of people face. I'm trying to upload a PNG photo. See, it says that it is not supported. This is a problem. So what you have to do is select only JPG. So there are a lot of converters available online through which you can convert your PNG images to JPG images. So click on I have just created another converted image from PNG to JPG, and I'll select that and click on close. After that, you just have to verify whether your image is uploaded or not, because there's a flaw here where it does not show you clearly. So I just opened and closed. I just wanted to open and check whether the image has been uploaded or not. Okay, then this is the subject NQT test. It will be specific to different options, but the current one has a programming test associated with it, right? So this is something which is very important if you want to apply for technical companies. If you're not from a technical background, you can leave this option. So also you'll see in you'll hover over the eye icon where you will see the pattern of this subject NQT test also. So programming logic, it will have 12 questions and 60 minutes, right? 10 programming logic questions, so input output based questions will be there, and you'll get 15 minutes for that. Then hands-on experience, you'll have to write a question, write a program there, so that will have 15 minutes, and there will be another question where you have to write a program which will have 30 minutes. So the difficulty level will keep on increasing, and you have to, these you will have 5 options to write these programs in. So 5 all the subjects are there. So enter the captcha here properly, and then click on I understand the I just agree with this declaration that they are asking for, and then just click on submit, right? So after you click on submit, you'll see a preview of all the details that you have entered. Make sure that your name and all those details are mentioned clearly. Note this application form number also. Take a snapshot of this or download this page or print this page, right? Verify everything that you have entered properly, right? If you are facing an issue, then you can come back and edit this later also. But do it correctly in the very first time. Don't make any mistakes. After that, you will see a view details option on the home page. So you can go and check the view details option also. When you click on that, it will show you the whole pattern of the test also, right? All the details of the that you have entered in the form there. Also on the same email ID, you will receive a link later for the sample test. You can take that also. So just verify everything, just close it down, and you can log out after that, right? I hope this is clear with you. If you have any issue, just comment below and I'll try to answer that. Or if you want me to go live for this, I'll come there also. So you can ask me questions during this premiere as well. So thanks a lot. Thank you.